Welcome to this lesson, guys. In this video we're going to draw an amazing logo in PixelLab. Alright, let's get started. So what we're going to do, I'm going to delete this. We don't need it in this video. So the next what we're going to do, we're going to make use of grid. Click over to grid settings, click here and change the units. It's going to be 1010. When you're done, click on the OK, click the grid settings again. So the next thing that we're going to do, move over to shape and bring out the shape. So this is the shape that we're going to make use of in this video. So click the use so that it's going to align properly. Select here, bring this side over here, bring this one over here. Okay, bring this one like this. I think it's okay like this. So when you're done, you click on what? Click on good. Come over here and do what? And copy it. So when you copy it, the one that you copied, you bring it over here. So when you bring it over here, so when you bring it over here, click on edit. So when you click on edit, you move it by the side. So when you move it by the side, bring it like this, bring it down, move it straight like this. Okay, so when you move it straight like this, I think it's okay now. I think this is okay. Okay, alright, this is good. So when you're done, you click on good. So this one, click on edit also and bring it upward. So when you're done, you click on what? Click on good. So the next thing that we're going to do now, we need to bring out another shape. So this shape is going to be over here. So let's bring it over here. So it's going to be over here. So when we bring it over here, increase the radius. So when we increase the radius, we do what? We click on good. Alright, so the next what we're going to do, let's zoom it. So when we zoom it, let's remove the grid, select this one, click on edit also and bring it backward to this extent. So when you're doing, click on good, select this one again, click on this one and bring it downward, bring it to this extent. When you're done, you click on what? You click on good. Alright, I think it's okay like this. Let's click over here. Okay, let's bring it down. It does not reach to the end. When you're done, you click on good. I think this is good. So yes, this is what you want to get. So let's zoom out. Alright, so the next thing that we're going to do over here is that we need to copy this one, copy it, come over here and copy it. So when we copy it, we bring it over here. So we bring it over here. So when we bring it over here, you click on what? Click on edit. So it's going to come over here. So when it come over here, you set it properly. So this is how it's going to be. Just follow the prompt. Everything is going to be fine and good. So when you got it like this, you do what? You click on good. So what are we going to do now? Let's zoom in. Select this one, click on edit, bring it backward. I think here is okay. So let's bring out another shape and resize it. Okay, increase the border radius and do what? I click on good. Select this one, bring it down, click on good. I think this is okay. This is nice. Okay, now this is okay. The next thing that we're going to do now is that we don't have much thing to do again. So what we're going to do over here is let's zoom out. So when we zoom out, you select this one. So when you select this one, move over here, move to max. When you move to max, you enable max. You click here, you bring it upward from here. So let's zoom in and do what we do best. So when you bring it up here, you set this one here. So it's going to be like this. Okay. Okay, I think this is how it's going to be. So when you are done, you do what? You click on good. Let's zoom out. Okay, so let's move to the next one. This one, click on max, enable it, click here, bring it upward. So when you bring it upward, you zoom in. So when you zoom in, bring it upward again, click here, adjust it. Now you have to adjust it. Okay. Okay, so when you are done, you do what? You click on good. Let's zoom out. Alright, I think this is okay. I think this is nice. So the next thing that we're going to do over here is that we need to come over here and measure all of them. Let's measure all of them. So when we have successfully measured all of them, you do what? You resize it. So when you resize it, you move to relative position, make sure that it's at the center. Alright, so the next thing that we're going to do, copy it. So this one, so let's come over here and change the color. Let's change the color of our objects. Black. This one is going to be orange. Okay, so select this one, move to relative position, make it be at the center, select this one. So what we're going to do over here is that you move to 3D rotate. Let's move over to 3D rotate. Alright, increase the x-axis to 100 to 180 and click on grid. So you bring this one over here. Alright, I think this is how it's going to be. So the next thing that we're going to do over here is that we need to move to stroke, enable stroke, increase the stroke. Alright, I think this is okay. This is quite nice. So the next thing that we're going to do over here is that we need to select this one and do what? And copy it. Select this one and copy it. So when we copied it, we bring it over here. So when we bring it over there, so the one that we used to copy, the one below, you select it. So when you select it, you move to max. So when you move to max, you enable max. So when you enable max, you bring it up here. You click on out. Make sure that you click on out. Now let's edit it. Let's zoom in. Okay. Let's hide that one. Select this one, move to max.
I'm walking around in the circle of life, doing the things I know, walking the same ways 100 times.
Okay. I think I know what the problem is. I think I understand what the problem is. So what we're going to do over here is that let's bring out another object. Then you mesh two of them. Okay, so let's do it. So what you're going to do now is that you move to max, enable the max, you bring the mouse over here. Now let's adjust it. Let's zoom in. Okay, let's work on this one. Let's add node. So let's zoom out. Hola. So did you guys see how I got it? So what you're going to do now is that do what you mesh them. Okay. So we have meshed it. Alright, we have meshed it. Okay, this is good. So let's put a test. So what we're going to do, move over to fonts. Let's make use of this font. So when you are done, you click on save. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.